on today's episode, we're going to be working on a frog. Originally, he was supposed to be a dart frog, but I think he kind of just turned out to be a regular frog. Alright, let's hop right on in.
story being told inside my head. I'm too shy to straighten up my bones and be a man. I gotta tear this wall apart to let door won't stay open till the end. Won't you tear my world apart? 'Cause I know I need a start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Let it go too soon. Oh, I'd be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in. Days pass and I'm still the same inside my head, and I can't stop thinking about what you said. I gotta tear my wall apart, and it's the only way to start to let you in. When it's over, I will see what I've done. Letting go too soon. Oh, I'll be stronger if you just step right in. 'Cause I need a start to let you in.
Today, too many go without welcome. Too many feel that they're let down. So tell me what's it to you, you. So many raised having nothing, far away from a good thing. Tell me what we should do. Come alive, calling. Come alive, calling. I know there's something that we could do. Come alive, light it. Come alive, fight it.
Alright, we've reached the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. This one was pretty interesting, just mainly because I kept fighting between a dart frog and just a regular frog. I think he just ended up looking like a regular frog, at least his upper body did. Maybe his bottom body, that sounds like a song or something. Yeah, his bottom body kind of looks like like the dart frog. And I think his mouth kind of looks more like one of them lizards, like a chameleon or something. But I think in the end it turned out pretty cool looking. I like his eye. He looks kind of like he's mad at you. Maybe he's mad at me for not making it the right way, Anyways, it'll be alright. Every time I think of a frog, I automatically picture Naruto just standing on top of one. Naruto, you frogged up my view on frogs, man. Alright, smash subscribe, ring the bell, let me know if you guys have any recommendations for any future videos. Until next time, peace out.
Hearts to life.